Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this channel is all about learning automation and automation testing. Automation testing for and we will be covering many topics in those short sessions. So what is the Selenium automation framework? Do you know what a real automation framework includes? Selenium automation framework is not just about writing test scripts. It's about structure and reusability. It defines how we organize our test code, manage test data, handle browsers, and generate reports all in one place. Think of it as a blueprint for building reliable, maintainable, and scalable test automation. So, what is an automation framework? An automation framework should be a structured approach to organize Selenium tests, and it should be such that it ensures reusability, maintainability, and it should be highly scalable. Means once we are done with the framework, it could be utilized to thousands and thousands of, and it should be very clear. The test logics and data should be very clear so that like anyone can just implement it. Any newcomers can implement it very clearly, means without facing much challenges. And it should support your centralized reporting and configuration. So we means one person does not need to be, like take the headache of reporting and configuration. It should be maintained at a high level. So what are all the core features of a framework? It should have a good folder structure. Folder structure means the test and resources file should be well organized, and it should have a base data, a base test. You should handle web driver setup and tear down, like whenever we are initializing a browser. So and closing a browser, those should be handled in our base test, and it should be a page object model so that it should keep our UI logic. Basically, the app that we are automating, that logic should be separate. And TestNG, obviously TestNG we are keeping it. TestNG framework we are going to do. So it should, which controls our everything, test execution and routing. And finally the reporting part. For reporting part, we will be doing our extent report. So why should we build a framework? Because it saves time, and every organization uses a framework. And it should, modular design, consistency, and the test quality is good, and it simplifies our debugging and reporting many things. And to summarize, I will be posting short videos on Selenium frameworks, and will be building from scratch level in this short series, and the folder structure, everything I am going to follow. And please follow this series so that we can cover a lot of topics which is important. And I know this framework that I will be sharing, it is means not there in anywhere in the YouTube. So you just follow this short series to know get all the solutions. Thank you.